Graduands, Fáilte Ród go léir. My name is Professor Gerard Feely, the Dean of Nursing and Head of School, and I welcome you to this virtual ceremony for the awarding of diplomas and prizes. This ceremony is hosted by the UCD School of Nursing, Midwifery and Health Systems, and it is my pleasure on behalf of the school to welcome you all as you are about to receive your university diplomas. I also extend a warm welcome to your partners, families and friends who may be joining you in this virtual ceremony. I also extend a warm welcome to our colleagues in our clinical partner hospitals, special hospitals and community services who are joining us this afternoon and have been so central to your academic and clinical training. We have a large number of students being awarded graduate diplomas and higher diplomas today, as well as awards and prizes. We will now begin the ceremony with the awarding of graduate diplomas, and it is my pleasure to invite my colleague Katie Wedgworth, the Programme Director for the Graduate Diploma in Intensive Care Nursing, who will call the roll of names of those receiving a graduate diploma.
Graduate Diploma Nursing, Cancer Nursing. Maria Audley. Robin Barron. Rebecca Canty. Ciara Clancy. Jackie Crowley. Rachel Cusick. Joanne Downey. Michelle Griffin. Ma Noella Harisco. Kira Lyons. Barry Matthews. Laura McKenna. Nicola McSweeney. Rachel Murphy. Milan Naka. Niamh O'Connell. Clora O'Connor. Dawn Ryan. Liliana Silva. Shona Spillane. Helen Sugru. Graduate Diploma Nursing, Chronic Illness. Anne Brennan. Irene Joseph. Lindsay Martin. Mary Draylen. Graduate Diploma Nursing, Critical Care, Cardiovascular. Shirley Augustine. Laura Cullen. Connie Cusson. Clodagh Egan. Karen Glynn. Nicola Glynn. Sally Glynn. Pamela Johnson. Jincy Jose. Sinead Kerwin. Paul Lawrence. Aisling Lynch. Margaret McBride. Katie McCormick. Emma McLaughlin, Nisha Malikal George, Sinead Murphy, Hazel O'Connor, Amuta Pritavaraj, Frances Ryan, Graduate Diploma Nursing, Critical Care Children, Kate Ahi, Sarah Burke, Sarah Byrne, Amy Cunningham, Alana Davis, Neve Dilworth, Joy Melbourne, Graduate Diploma Nursing, Critical Care, Intensive Care, Tintu Augustine, Pauline Baxter, Hannah Brennan, Kira Byrne, Veronica Curado, Lisa Cross, Adele Dolan, Maria Dowling, Aoife Feeney, Maria Green, Mitzi Hayes, Emma Healy, Susan Henry, Shauna Hines, Betty Jacob, Tina Kita Augustine, Joseph Kelly, Roisin McCourt, Sarah Jane Mulvaney, Claire Nealon, Hazel O'Doherty, Karen O'Dowd, Deirdre O'Keefe, Helena O'Leary, Brenda O'Shea, Rebecca Power, Steffi Power, Siobhan Quinn, Kevin Sharkey, Cara Shrahan, Melissa Stone, Graduate Diploma Nursing, Diabetes Care, Emer Brosnan, Bertina Comerford, Elizabeth Cullen, Yang Fu, Siobhan Maloney, Regina Morrissey, Deirdre Mulhern, Niamh Mulligan, Amal Vada Kakara Thomas, Graduate Diploma Nursing, Emergency Nursing Adult, Naitiza Batala, Louise Brennan,
Leisha Clifford,
Lorenza Conti, Rebecca Cuff, Aoife Halpin, Josna Seeley Jose, Rashida Lee Callan Todan, Siobhan Kenny, Laura Martin, Lloyd McCree, Aoife Mullally, Angela Noguera Dominguez, Ellen O'Carroll, Adam Power, Eileen Riley, Adele Tivan, Lyle Philip Torald, Blessy Varghese, Roisin Walsh. Graduate Diploma Nursing, Emergency Nursing, Children. Roisin Buckley, Grace Corrigan, Claire Curran, Jennifer Dalton, Natasha Daly, Claire Doyle, Ellen Doyle, Sarah Farley, Mairead Forrest, Darren Hare, Denise Lynch, Philomena McMorrow, Aoife Murray, Kate O'Malley. Graduate Diploma, Lean Six Sigma for Healthcare. Ian Laurie, Katrina McGrath, Paddy O'Gorman, Karen O'Sullivan. Graduate Diploma, Pain Management. Subi Babu Thomas,
Ina Catherine Butler,
Anu George, Stephanie Doyle, Kate Martin. Graduate Diploma, Palliative Care. Miriam Bantus, Breed Doyle, Jackie Farrington, Margaret Kerwin, Jennifer Grace Lopez, Amy McInespy, Amanda McNally, Lisa Murphy, Nigonai Mondwa, Kate Nolan, Con O'Brien, Sarah Whelan,
Danielle White.
Graduate Diploma Nursing, Person-Centred Care. Sheeny Jose Johnny Paul, Niamh Hogan, Claire Keeley, Aisling Matthews, Ita O'Driscoll, Min Zing, Graduate Diploma Nursing, Public Health Nursing. Olivia Ahern, Angela Bagnall, Claire Bulger, Grania Bolton, Avril Brennan, Louise Brennan, Katrina Brown, Claire Byrne,
Adele Byrne.
Jennifer Caulfield, Roisin Colgan, Claire Collins, Margaret Collins, Linda Connolly, Trish Costello, Karen Craig, Bernadette Crowley, Aisling Cunningham, Annette Doherty, Joseph Donegan, Louise Donnelly, Karen Donoghue, Emma Donovan, Anne-Marie Dunn, Fanula Edmonds, Aoife Feary, Grania Fennan, Rosemary Gahan, Julie Marie Gary, Anna Gorham, Noelle Green, Adele Gray, Doris Hamilton, Lisa Doris Harrison, Padraig Heffernan, Elizabeth Lynch, Katie Marie Lyons, Linda Madden, Roisin Marinan, Marie McCabe, Nicola McEnany,
Claire McGinnity.
Sinead McKeough, Marion Meehan,
Orla Mohan.
Sonia Mary Moran, Marguerite Mullally, Noreen Murphy, Michelle O'Loughlin, Carolyn O'Mahony, Rebecca O'Shea, Karen O'Sullivan, Catherine Ott, Laura Page, Michelle Riley, Leanne Smith,
Lisa Swain, Kiefer Walsh,
Sinead Walsh, Margaret White. Graduate Diploma Nursing Radiology. Jennifer Corballis, Orla Croak, Hilary May Highbaler, Sarah Higgins, Pamela Jameson, Catherine Nabus, Susan Rutledge. Graduate Certificate Healthcare Education. Anya Blake, Shauna Ennis, Deirdre Hughes, Elizabeth Joy, Anya Lavin, Adele Maxwell. Graduate Certificate Nursing Advanced Practice. Michael Heavey, Zita Lawler, Taria Mannion, Mary Mullen, Desmond O'Neill, Susan O'Reilly. Professional Diploma Intensive Care Nursing.
Jinsey Cherryanne,
Professional Diploma Nursing Prescription of Medication with Health Assessment Consortium. Paul Beegee,
Amy Darby,
Paul Duggan, Niamh Fergus, Michael Fitzgerald, Roisin Mullen,
Noel Noel Nagwinwa,
Maria Noonan, Pauline O'Hanlon, Karen Pearce, Sinead Toomey. Professional Diploma Nursing Prescription of Medication Consortium. Ona McGooey, University Certificate in Health Sciences. Kaylee O'Rourke, University Certificate, Prescription of Medication and Ionizing Radiation, Adult. Laura Conity, Sandra Murphy, Mark O'Neill. University Certificate, Prescription of Medication and Ionizing Radiation, Child. Jennifer Ryan. University Certificate, Prescription of Medication and Ionizing Radiation, Adult and Child. Carla Behan. University Diploma in Health Sciences. Shane Clark.
Thank you, Katie. That concludes the awarding of graduate diplomas. I will now call on Dr. Timothy Frawley, the Associate Dean for Taught Graduate Studies and the Head of Subject for Mental Health Nursing, to call the roll of the names of the graduands who are to be awarded a higher diploma in nursing or a higher diploma in midwifery.
Higher Diploma in Nursing, Children's Nursing. Pamela Allen, Binsimal Babu, Aisling Byrne, Tanya G. Byrne, Aoife Campbell, Emer Carney, Deirdre Claffey, Anna Cuniff, Ruth Devlin, Sinead Dugan, Orla Fitzpatrick, Gina Gleeson, Grace Kilrain, Louise Lynch, Kiva Markey, Gemma Maxwell, Grania McCarthy, Danica McAvoy, Anne McLaughlin, Tara Moran, Nessa Mullen, Karen Murnan, Pamela O'Connor, Kathleen O'Shea, Grania Phelan, Kate Ring, Olivia Rush, Niamh Sheehan, Lauren Vickers. Higher Diploma in Mental Health Nursing. Carmel Grant, Hannah Lekaka, Gabriella Vida, Anya Godwin, David Ty, Joanna Geary, Christopher Aguilar, Bina Leela, Aisling Kiernan, Aoife Murphy, John Linders, Caroline O'Hara, Sheena Adju, Marlene Hines, Lisa Mulderry, Tim Goggin, Rashma Karunan, Sissy Varghese, Sinead Connell, Brenduza Elena Poppa, Bilsha Baby, Orna Dinahy, Olubunmi Olani Regan Apara, Danielle Riley, Louise Corcoran, Soja Manuel, Higher Diploma Midwifery, Aoife Boyle, Helen M. Clare, Abigail Cole, Marguerite Collins, Hannah L. Darcy, Rachel Duggan, Nuala Gunning, Siobhan Halpin, Tracy Lacey, Penny Mitchell, Quiva Mohan, Dorcas Nyarko Afriyi, Emma O'Brien, Laura O'Toole, Tracy Prunty, Dawn Smith, Aisling Taylor, Christina M. Vanderdoes, Catherine Willis. Certificate in Health Sciences, Rachel Fitzsimons,
Thank you, Timmy. We will now proceed to the awards and prizes part of the ceremony, and I again call on Dr. Timothy Frawley to read the citations and call the names of the recipients of prizes.
Prizes and Citations. Pfizer Healthcare Ireland Limited bursaries. 2 bursaries are very generously provided by Pfizer Healthcare Ireland Limited for the students who achieved the highest grades in the Graduate Diploma in Nursing, Cancer Nursing. This year, the joint recipients of the bursaries are Liliana Silva, first prize, and Rachel Murphy, second prize. Sister Frances Rose O'Flynn, OLH Medal. Our Lady's Hospice Harold's Cross have generously offered to fund the medal in perpetuity in recognition of the significant contribution of Sister Frances Rose O'Flynn, RSC, to the development of palliative care education in Ireland. The medal is to be awarded annually to the student who achieved the highest grades in the specialist modules in palliative care. This year, the recipient is Amanda McNally and Con O'Brien. Dr. Judith Chavas Prize. These awards are due to the generosity of Dr. Judith Chavas, who was head of the Department of Nursing Studies before she retired. Dr. Chavas sadly passed away in 2018, and we acknowledge the contribution she made, not only to the School of Nursing, Midwifery and Health Systems, but also the wider nursing community. The Dr. Judith Chavas Prize is awarded to the student who achieves the highest GPA on the Graduate Diploma in Nursing, Public Health Nursing. The winner of this prize is Michelle O'Loughlin. Sister Triona Harvey Medal. This award is provided due to the generosity of Sister Triona Harvey, a retired member of the school academic staff. The medal is awarded to the student who receives the highest grade on the Higher Diploma in Midwifery program. The winner of the medal is Dawn Smith. Dr. Marie Carney Medal. This award is provided due to the generosity of Dr. Marie Carney, also a former head of school. The medal is awarded to the student on Stage 4 of the BSc Nursing or the BSc Midwifery who achieves the highest grade on the Management and Quality Improvement module. The winner of this medal is Ryan O'Donnell. Dr. Mary Redmond Memorial Medal for Specialist Module in Palliative Care. This award is generously provided by the Irish Hospice Foundation in perpetuity in recognition of the significant contribution of its founder, Dr. Mary Redmond, to the development of providing psychosocial, spiritual, and bereavement care and support to those with life-limiting illness and their families in Ireland. It is awarded to the student who receives the highest grade on a specialist module in palliative care. This year, the recipient of the medal is Margaret Kerwin. Novartis Award. Novartis is very proud to support a UCD Mater-Lean Academy, a joint venture between two leaders in healthcare education provision, the Mater Misericordiae University Hospital and UCD School of Nursing, Midwifery and Health Systems. This award recognises excellence in academic achievement in Lean Six Sigma leadership and innovation on a cost-neutral process improvement benefiting both patients, their families and staff. This year, the recipient of the prize is Katrina McGrath. BSc Nursing Integrated Children's and General Nursing Medal. Each year, this medal is awarded to the student with the highest GPA in Stage 3 of the BSc Children's and General Nursing at UCD. Normally, this medal would be presented at a ceremony in CHI Crumlin, and this year, the recipient of the prize is Melissa Kench.
Thank you, Timmy. I am now honoured to invite Róisín Shortall TD to address you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for inviting me to say a few words on what is, I know, a very special day for you all. It has certainly been a momentous year for everybody, but in particular for students and workers in the healthcare profession. our nurses and midwives have gone way above and beyond the call of duty in every discipline to prioritise patients during COVID-19, and that hard work has been rightly recognised and praised right across the country and indeed globally. Putting patients and their needs at the heart of healthcare is a central pillar of Sláinte Care, the reform plan for our health service. That reform plan, as you know, is about creating a modern, universal public healthcare service which provides early and affordable access to care, comparable to the best European public healthcare systems. Crucially too, it is about reorientating our health service so that care is provided at the lowest level of complexity, as close as possible to home. Sláinte Care recognises the existing key role of nurses and midwives in our health service, but it also calls for a significantly enhanced role for you in leading the delivery of expert and timely care as part of that reform. That means a much greater emphasis on health promotion and preventative care, including population health programmes. It means finally implementing the full range of chronic illness programmes, including mental health. Whether in the community, in social care, or in hospital care, it means fully utilising the extraordinary range of expertise of our nurses and midwives, clinical nurse specialists, and advanced nurse practitioners. Sláinte Care envisages this enhanced role for nurses and midwives right across the entire life cycle, from cradle to grave, and it clearly recognises the fact that you are central players in that reform which Ireland so desperately needs. So thank you for all of the work you have done so far, as well as for your commitment to Ireland's health service in the future. My very best wishes to everyone here today in your journey ahead, whether that is in taking up new posts or pursuing further studies. Warmest congratulations to all and those receiving an award or prize today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Roisin. We are very grateful to you for your contribution to our awards ceremony and for your generous and encouraging words. I now invite Professor Lazarina O'Connor, Joint Professor of Clinical Nursing, to address you.
Professor Gerard Feely, distinguished guests, colleagues, graduates, to whom I want to offer my warmest congratulations on this very important day and on your achievement. Today is a very special virtual day in UCD. It's a day when we in UCD invoke tradition to mark a key transition in your lives and careers as specialist nurses and midwives, as you've earned a very, very important qualification today. Your careers will bring many challenges and responsibilities, but also great privileges and opportunities. Nurses and midwives are involved in ordinary and extraordinary components in people's lives who live through joy, illness, trauma, suffering, and the ongoing challenges that life brings. UCD and our clinical partners take great pride in the fact that you are caring human beings who will uplift the lives of others. The word pride means pride, professionalism, caring, commitment and service. R is respect, I is integrity, D is diversity, inclusiveness, social and intellectual, E is excellence, innovation, research, clinical practice and also education. And while affirming you in our professions and recognising the progress that you personally and we collectively have made, I also want to suggest that nursing and midwifery is positioned to have a significant impact on the healthcare system. I'm going to go through a poem now, and it gives a sense of the essence of nurses and midwives' activities in sometimes chaotic and unpredictable but precious moments in the clinical environment, and particularly in the pandemic space we are in at the moment. Sometimes I see their faces as I gaze into the stars. I feel the echo of their pain. I see the outline of their scars. So many people I've seen lose at the same game. They fight the war most valiantly, but death soon calls their name. Each one has a story that's told only to a few select, to the ones who have time to listen, who know compassion's effect. Being that one isn't easy, on your heart it takes a toll. Their stories tug at your emotions, they touch the edges of your soul. But you can't imagine not doing the work you are now highly skilled and highly educated to do. Even though there is pain, there is so many treasures too. Meeting people and hearing them tell of how their lives have been. Success, failure, sorrow and joy. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Lending a hand to someone in need, there is no greater feeling of worth than to comfort another, help a friend, is the greatest feeling on earth. Illness is such a vicious thing, it strips them of so much. Their life, their independence, their dignity, but it cannot take away your touch of care and compassion to let them know you care, and that they are still a valuable person, even if they have no hair. My heart dances with those who are winning their battle. I see them healthy and strong, but my heart breaks with those who are losing. I feel lost in their swan song. Each one leaves a jewel with me that I cannot explain. What little I have given does not compare to what I have gained. And still, sometimes I see their faces as they gaze into the stars. I feel the echo of their pain. I see the outline of their scars. I, as Professor of Clinical Nursing here at UCD, would suggest you are well placed now to become the leaders of the future. We look to the future to optimism, and we look to you, our graduates in nursing and midwifery, to play your part. So how can you be an advocate of change? I would suggest that you think as nurses and midwives do in terms of the human body. Use your mind and believe in yourself. Strengthen your mind. Be prepared so that you can seize the opportunity when it arises. Read, write and stay current on the events and join professional organisations or political forums. Use your eyes. Create your vision. What is your ultimate goal? Keep in mind, your career is so much more than a job. It's what you are doing, it's what you love, and that's what your career is about. Use your gut. Deep down, we know that you get a nagging feeling when something is not right. That's actually part of being a nurse and a midwife, but it's also part of being a leader. Recognise when you have that feeling and that deep gut feeling, and think about what you can do to set it right. Believe in yourself. You have vision, you have the strength, you have the talents, and more importantly, be optimistic. Use your hands, reach out. Collective action is better than individual action. And network, get involved in professional organisations. Be local, be national, be international. Use your feet, move forward, take that next step, and don't be afraid to take a risk. It's all part of the world. It's all part of being an advocate for the person. Use your mouth. Be an excellent communicator. Communication is one of the clearest strategies that make healthcare environments. Find your passion. Make sure everybody knows your passion. Everybody knows mine, and that is access to optimal pain management for every patient is a basic human right. As the philosopher Hegel said, nothing great in the world has been accomplished without passion. Use your heart. Great leaders have heart. Seldom change is used for selfish reasons. Rather, it's used for the good of the people we serve. Leaders have good character. Good character means you are ethical and moral. Clinical leaders are empathetic with others and take care of the vulnerable. Nurses and midwives are at their best personal place when they model the way, inspire a shared vision, challenge the process, enable others to act, and encourage the heart. There is never going to be enough money in the healthcare system or in the community to take care of every problem, so choices have to be made. If you're not there sharing in the best solutions, you are missing an opportunity to effect change. Nurses and midwives need to be at the policy table. Or if not, someone will be there who does not understand nursing or midwifery. Your journey through UCD and our partner hospitals and community settings have placed you to become clinical leaders of the future. Finally, I would love to leave you with a quote of Mahatma Gandhi. And what he said was, "Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behaviour. Keep your behaviour positive because your behaviour become your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny." Your time has come, and remember something very important. To the world, you may be one person, but to one person, you may be the world. I wish you a very happy evening. I wish you every success in your future. Enjoy this day, savour every moment of it. Milk it big time, sparkle today, even if it's virtual, and maybe think about that Louis Vuitton bag, or is it the Manolo Blahnik shoes, or is it the Tom Ford perfume or his accessories? And also think of Givenchy, and that could be when you return to UCD for further studies. And with that world mindset view, your future is imminent. Remember, it is your day. Gunari and Boher Liv Galer, Slán go fóill.
Thank you, Lazarina. We are very grateful to you for your wise and uplifting words. And that concludes our awards ceremony. In closing, I congratulate you all and wish each and every one of you continued success in your careers. And I hope that we will see you again in the future as you continue your professional development and build on your academic achievement. Once again, congratulations and enjoy the rest of this very special day.